What's up, guys? J Thornton 64, May 22nd, 2017. And got a little bad news to bring in this morning. World Superbike champ and 2006 MotoGP champ Nicky Hayden has passed away from his injuries he suffered a few days ago in a he was in a cycling accident where a car hit him head on. I think it was head and chest injuries that led to the death today. He was from Kentucky, 35 years old, the Kentucky kid. I've been watching this guy ride motorcycles as long as I can remember. He's always been on motorcycles. Him and his brothers. He was super fast. He will go down as a legend in super bikes and motorcycles in general. Nicky was gone before his time. Today, Nicky Hayden passes away at 35. It's a sad day for the motorcycle industry.